Hey everyone, I'm Tansha Agrawal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to see the first question of today's LeetCode bi-weekly contest 153. So as this is the first question, so hoping this is going to be very easy. So yeah, let's see what is this question and how we can solve it. So in this question, you are given a string s and you need to calculate its reverse degree. And the reverse degree is calculated as follows. For each character, multiply its position in the reversed alphabet. Let's say if it is A, then its reverse alphabet is Z with position 26. So with its position in the string, and you need to sum these products for all characters in this string and return the reverse degree of S. Okay, so let's see with an example. You have been given within a string S as A, B, C. So first what you need with A as position 1, 2 as B as position 2 and C as position 3, right? We are not talking about the index numbers in this string here. We are talking about the position, like A occurs first, B occurs second and then C. So what you need to do is you need to check for the reverse character position. Let's say the reverse of A is Z, the reverse of B is Y, the reverse of C is X, right? So what you need to do, you need to check the position of this character, which is 26. You need to check the position of this character, which is 25. You need to check the position of this character, which is 24. And multiply this with the position of this character in the string. So the position of A is 1, the position of B is 2, the position of C is 3. Okay, so let's multiply them. It will become 26, it will become 50, it will become 4 3 is 12, 3 2 is 6, 17. And then you need to sum all of them, which will become 8, 7, 2, 9, 9, 5, 148. So basically what you need to do, you need to check for the opposite character of that character and take its position, multiply it with the actual character position in the string and then sum all of these values. Okay, very easy, but how you will get this opposite character value? Okay, so let's say if you need to get the opposite character value, so let's say you have taken Z, its value is 26. So you need to know the opposite character value of A. Okay, let's subtract A from Z. So what it will become? The value of A is 1, let's say. So you will get 25, but its value is 26. Okay, let's add 1 in this. Yeah, cool. So we will get 26. Okay, let's see for B as well. So it will be B1. Okay, so the value of Z is 26, B is 2 plus 1, 26 minus 1, which will become 25. Yeah, so in this way you will be able to get the value of opposite character Z minus S of I plus 1. This will give you the opposite character value. Okay, so let's try code this. Its code is going to be quite simple. So first let's store the length of the string in n and declare a result variable with 0, and let's start iterating in the string and then simply update our result. So the result will be updated with Z minus S of I plus 1, and then what we need to do, we need to multiply them with their index, right? Okay, let's try run this. Compilation, oh sorry, I forgot to return the result. Yeah, let's try run this now. Yeah, 148 and 160. Yeah, let's try submitting it. Yeah, it's working fine. So let's now talk about its time and space complexity. So as we are doing just single iteration, so its time complexity is going to be the big O of n, where n is the length of its string. And as we have not used any extra space, so its space complexity is going to be big O of 1. So yeah, this was all for this question. This was a pretty easy question. I hope you get it. But if you still have any doubts, then you can post in the comment section. I will surely try to answer them. Till then, bye guys. See you in the next video.